I've been up to. I've been a little busy, been a little preoccupied. Well, guess what? I'll show you why. I'm kind of driving this big truck right now, and you're gonna need these. Here we go. Abe invented this LED sign truck. Had to do a little modifications to it.
Oh look, Car Automotive. Shameless plug. So I come over here to the back of the truck.
Inside this truck is a 20,000 watt generator. Humming away. But initially, it didn't have a good cooling system. So we cut this hole in the floor. Stage 1 didn't do enough. So stage 2, engineered, is this duct. It comes right off the generator and right outside. So none of the heat from inside the generator comes in this box. And these cooling fans take care of the rest of the heat that these signs produce. 65 degrees in here now, and it's 58 outside. Before, it was 130 degrees in here and 75 outside. So we solved the problem. See ya.